Aerobic exercises, they say, are the key to burning calories and keeping your heart healthy. It's not just about sweating it out on the treadmill or doing endless jumping jacks. No, it's about getting your heart rate up, breathing deeply, and moving your body in a way that gets your blood pumping. I remember the first time I tried an aerobic workout. I was hesitant at first, unsure if I could keep up with the fast-paced movements and high-energy music. But as soon as I started moving, something clicked. My body felt alive, my muscles working in ways they hadn't in years. The instructor led us through a series of exercises, jumping jacks, high knees, grapevines, and more. Each movement was designed to get our heart rates up and our bodies moving. And let me tell you, it worked. I could feel the sweat dripping down my face, my heart pounding in my chest, and a sense of exhilaration that I hadn't felt in a long time. As the workout continued, I found myself pushing harder, digging deeper, and challenging myself in ways I never thought possible. The music blared, the energy in the room was contagious, and I was in the zone. It was like nothing else mattered, except for the movement of my body and the beat of the music. And as the workout came to an end, I felt a sense of accomplishment wash over me. I had pushed myself beyond my limits, burned more calories than I thought possible, and had a blast doing it. Aerobic exercise wasn't just about burning calories, it was about feeling alive, strong, and empowered. From that day on, I was hooked. I made aerobic exercise a regular part of my routine, finding new classes to try, new instructors to follow, and new ways to challenge myself. And with each workout, I could feel my body getting stronger, my endurance increasing, and my confidence soaring. Aerobic exercise wasn't just a way to burn calories, it was a way to connect with my body, to push myself beyond my limits, and to feel alive in ways I never thought possible. It was a reminder that movement is medicine, that sweat is therapy, and that pushing yourself out of your comfort zone can lead to incredible results. So if you're looking to burn calories, get your heart pumping, and feel alive in your body, give aerobic exercise a try. You might just surprise yourself with what you're capable of.